Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give away 20 Word resume templates for completely free. If you are interested, let's get into the video.
So before going into the video, if you don't know what details you need to put where, well, you can go and check out my video on how to make a resume. Now on the screen, as you can see, there are 20 templates available. And you can choose any template of your choice and edit it with your details. And that's it.
Well, I hope you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.